If you've ever tried to open a MOV file in DaVinci Resolve and nothing seems to happen, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest ways to import a MOV file, preview it, and get it ready for editing. Whether you're on Windows or Mac, this is a simple process once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy video editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're on the Edit page. Then click the Media Pool button in the top left corner. This is important because it makes sure your storage bin is visible, so you can actually see and manage the files you import. If you don't see the media pool, you may think Resolve isn't responding, but most of the time it's just hidden. Once the media pool is open, you've got a couple of different ways to bring in your MOV file. The first method is to right-click any empty space inside the media pool and choose Import Media. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl and I on Windows or Command and I on Mac to open the import window faster. Now browse to the folder where your MOV file is saved. Select the file and click Open. DaVinci Resolve will then import it into your media pool, so it's ready to use in your project. If you want an even faster method, you can simply drag and drop the MOV file from File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac straight into the media pool. You can also drag it directly onto the timeline if you're ready to start editing right away. This is one of the quickest ways to get footage into your project, especially if you're working with just a few clips. Sometimes when you import a MOV file, Resolve may show a frame rate mismatch warning. If that happens, it means the project frame rate doesn't match the frame rate of your video file. For the smoothest playback and the most accurate editing, click Change so the project matches the video file. This helps avoid playback issues, timing problems, and unnecessary conversion headaches later on. After the file is imported, double-click the MOV clip in the media pool. That will load it into the source viewer on the left side, where you can preview the clip before sending it to the timeline. If you only want part of the clip, you can set an in point by pressing I and an out point by pressing O. This is really useful if you want to import only a specific section instead of the entire MOV file. It saves time and keeps your timeline cleaner from the start. Another useful option is the media page. Click the media page icon, which is the first icon at the bottom of the screen, and you'll be able to use the media storage browser. This lets you preview MOV files directly from your hard drive before importing them, which is great when you have a lot of footage and want to quickly find the right clip. So to recap, you can open a MOV file in DaVinci Resolve by using Import Media, dragging and dropping it, or previewing it through the media page. And if you get a frame rate warning, just match the project to the file for the best results. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and let me know in the comments what editing topic you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.